who were wanting to check out our beautiful flowers, they are going to be on Black Friday sale. It's for a limited time and the price is phenomenal. So also for those of you who have already purchased some of our flowers and you're in love with them, you can get more colors or you can get more supply. Don't miss out. It's gonna be for a limited time and the price is such a steal. All right, check it out. All right, guys, we are here at one of my favorite spots, the Dollar Tree, and we are going to go in and get all of the things we need to create our beautiful Winter Wonderland Christmas items to decorate our house and our door. So, come on, let's go on in. Reminder, guys, you can get most of the items, if not all the items that I'm picking up today, online. So remember, online though, they're in bulk, so keep that in mind. Let's head on in now. All right, so our first project that we're going to work on is a wreath featuring our Miss Planet roses, and all of these projects are going to incorporate our Miss Planet roses and our Dollar Tree finds. And so I'm really excited to do that. So we're going to first stop at kind of like the ornament area, and I really just come in here and I see what speaks to me. I know I want to do white and silver, so these are some of the things that I would pick up. I'm going to pick up some of these silver glitter snowflakes for sure. So I definitely want those to incorporate those some kind of way. Now I will tell you that sometimes I buy things and I don't incorporate them, but I save them for future. So I'm going to pick up these and see what else speaks to me. I think I might want to mix maybe some silver flowers with our Miss Planet flowers. And this is just a very inexpensive way to do that. So I'm going to get 2 of these. See how I feel about it. Now I know I want some berries. I like the silver. Let's go ahead and get some of these silver berries. It's going to be super glittery white Christmas wreath, and so I'm excited about that. Now typically they have wreaths in here too, but I don't see any right now. But I will tell you that sometimes they're bigger wreaths, which is not as full as I would like them, and so I tend to get my wreaths from somewhere else. And don't worry, I'll give you all of that link in the description. So I think this is the last thing I'm going to pick up for my wreath, and we'll head on back and get started with it. Okay, so we have all of our things that we're going to use in our wreath. I'm so excited to get back to my studio and put it all together. So let's head on back. This has got to be one of my favorite wreaths I've ever done. It turned out absolutely gorgeous and it's so simple. So I can see why since I've made them, several family members have said, can you give me a wreath for Christmas? So this not only can be a beautiful addition to your door, but it can be a beautiful addition to your friends and family's doors if you just show up with a wreath or send them a wreath, mail them a wreath. I'm hoping you love this. Don't forget that we did this with our Miss Planet roses and the Black Friday sale. Please don't miss out on the opportunity because we only do this once a year. So please make sure that you get those flowers on your Black Friday opportunity. Don't miss it. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. If you want an extra special notification, click on that bell right down in the corner. You can also follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and our wonderful Pinterest page. If you haven't checked out our Pinterest page, go to it. The ideas are endless. In addition to that, be sure to sign up for your Rakuten account. What are you waiting for? It's absolutely free to sign up. Head down to our description and click on the link. Sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendors, and make your qualified purchases to get a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. Be sure to check out our MissPlanetShop.com for all of your DIY digital downloadable planning guides. We have planning guides for every event and they are phenomenal. We put so much effort into them to make sure that you would be able to create the event, party, or wedding of your dreams from beginning to end. And we even have a planner for your maid of honor so she can help you create the event or wedding of your dreams. So be sure to go over there and check those out. Our time always goes by so fast. I'm so appreciative of you spending this time with me, and I hope that this has brought some joy to your day in these very difficult times that we're dealing with right now. I just absolutely love this week's project. I cannot wait for next week because that is a Dollar Tree gift idea. And I'm going to show you something that I have in my home that I've gifted so many times that people just absolutely love, and it's for probably under $7, this whole gift idea. So be sure to come back next week and check us out. And until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. I'll see you soon. God bless.